Welcome students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Human Health and Disease, Chapter 10, Part 11. Students, this is the last part of this chapter. We have been studying about various types of common disease and we have been dealing with various types of treatment and preventive measures of all the disease which we have been studying till now. So today let us continue with the last part of the chapter. In today's lecture, we will be studying about drug abuse. Drug abuse. Surveys and statistics show that use of drugs and alcohol has been on the rise, especially among the youth. So the youth, they are more addicted or more prone to drugs and alcohol. Proper education and guidance would enable youth to safeguard themselves against this dangerous behavior pattern and follow a healthy lifestyle. Students, we have been studying about adolescence in the last lecture, in my last video. So, if you can relate this drug abuse with the adolescence, because in the period of adolescence, what happens? The adolescent, they undergo various type of physical and emotional changes, and that result in taking up various habits which are inappropriate. One is the drugs and second is the alcohol. For that, proper education and guidance is required to safeguard the adolescents from these drugs and alcohol. So awareness is very much important to follow a healthy lifestyle. They should know the importance of being a healthy person rather than being a drug addict. Now, this is really a cause of concern as it could result in many harmful effects. Alcohol and drugs, they are never good, never ever good for our body. They cause various types of disease which we have been studying since the starting of this chapter, especially cancer. That is the disease like which is like incurable at its after its second stage. So these diseases are caused because of the drugs and alcohol which are on high rate of consumption in the youth. So the drugs which are commonly abused are opioids, cannabinoids and alkaloids of coca. So the name of the drugs are opioids, cannabinoids and alkaloids. So let us study in detail about these drugs and what are its adverse effect on the body. Opioids. This is the common type of drug which is used by the youth. This drug, it does not only affect the brain but also affect the other parts of the body. This drug actually hinders or alter the functioning of the brain. What it does, this drug binds to the opioid receptors which is present in the central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. So what it does, it actually alters the functioning of the brain. Your brain, it doesn't function properly and you cannot recall anything or memorize anything, that result in the nervous breakdown. The next drug is heroin, which is also called as smack. It is chemically diacetylmorphine. It is extracted from latex of poppy plant, that is Papaver somniferum. Heroin is depressant and slows down the activity of the body. Heroin, this drug, this actually it is a depressant. All the activity of your body, all the internal metabolism functioning which is going on in your body, everything is altered. It slows down, so it adversely affect your body to no extent. Cannabinoids. Cannabinoids, they interact with receptors which is present in brain. Inhalation and ingestion of these substances affect the cardiovascular system. So this drug, it does not only affect your brain but it also affect your heart. These are obtained from inflorescences and the parts of cannabis sativa. Marijuana, hashish, charas and ganja are the other different form of drugs obtained from this plant. So the plant is cannabis sativa. So this cannabinoids, it alters the functioning of the brain plus alters the functioning of the heart. What it does, inhalation or ingestion of this cannabinoids, it affects the cardiovascular system, the rate or the pulse rate of your body, it increases to a greater extent, and or sometimes it may decrease. So that is actually very harmful, and it can also lead to death. What it does, it interacts with the receptors of the brain and causes in the dysfunctioning of the brain. So your brain and your body does not go hand in hand, it creates misbalance. And the examples of other drugs made from the plant, that is cannabis sativa, is marijuana, hashish, charas, and ganja. So these are also the drugs which come under this cannabinoids. So the other kind of drug is cocaine. This is an alkaloid which is obtained from coca plant, Erythroxylum coca. It increases level of neurotransmitters dopamine. It its excessive dosage causes extreme happiness, irritability, paranoia. Now this cocaine, it also actually affects the nervous system of the body. Excess dose of cocaine leads to extreme happiness. That means you forget all your sorrows, you're in different world, you don't know what bad has happened to you. But that is actually not good. It affects the nervous system as well as the brain. Sometimes it causes irritability. Sometimes you imagine various things in your mind, you go in the phase of imagination and imagine various type of things which has not taken place in reality. So this is an alkaloid and it is obtained from coca plant, that is Erythroxylum coca. Effects of drug or alcohol abuse. The immediate adverse effects of drugs and alcohol abuse are manifested in the form of reckless behavior, vandalism, and violence. So, the drugs and alcohol, they ultimately lead to violence. Excessive doses of drugs may lead to coma and death due to respiratory failure, heart failure, or cerebral hemorrhage. So, as we seen that these drugs, whatever which we have studied about cocaine, cannabinoids, or opioids, they either affect the nervous system, central nervous system, brain, or the heart. So here in the excessive dosage of these drugs, it may lead to coma and death. That is the final thing, death. A combination of drugs or their intake along with alcohol generally results in overdose and even death. So overdose of these drugs, it also result in death. So ultimately the effect of drug and alcohol abuse is like very bad, and ultimately the only result which we get is death and coma, and other is the alcohol or the drug is they may turn into violence, and ultimately that also have very bad impacts in their life. Another misuse of drugs is that certain sports person use drugs to enhance performance, which is legally wrong. So what happens before any sport has to be taken place? Medical examination of drugs is done, and any if a sports person is found to be in contact with any sort of drug, they are not allowed to play. Actually, what this sports person do? They misuse narcotic analgesics, anabolic steroids, diuretics, and certain hormones to increase muscle strength. So, to increase the muscle strength and bulk, and to promote aggressiveness. Now, sports person, what they think that when they are aggressive, their performance is good. So this aggressiveness and overall improvement in their performance. So that's why they use the drugs. Side effects of the use of anabolic steroids in females include masculinization, that is they show features like males. They have very harsh voice, and the way they show like gestures like men. Increased aggressiveness, mood swings, depression, abnormal menstrual cycles, excessive hair growth on the face and body, enlargement of clitoris, deepening of voice. As I said, this anabolic steroids in females, they cause immense damage. Increased aggressiveness, mood swings, depression, menstrual cycle is fully misbalanced, excessive hair growth on the facial parts where it's not normal in the normal females, and obviously change in the pitch of the voice. So that is also side effects of steroids in females. In males, it includes acne, increased aggressiveness, mood swings, depression, and reduction of size of the testicles. So here, when the size of the testicles are reduced, they are incapable to produce sperms, which also lead to sterility. Decreased sperm production, kidney and liver dysfunction, breast enlargement, premature baldness, enlargement of the prostate gland. So these are the side effects which we can see in the males when they intake the drugs. These effects, they may be permanent with prolonged use. So this effects, like if they are always in constant intake of these drugs, the side effects in males and females, it can be for lifetime. So it's better to say no to drugs. Prevention and control. The age old proverb, that is prevention is better than cure, holds true for all addictions. It is also true that habits such as smoking, taking drug or alcohol are more likely to be taken up at a young age, more during adolescence. It is best to identify the situations that push an adolescent towards use of drugs or alcohol and to take remedial measures well in time. So here prevention is better than cure. So better than cure, we prevent this type of addictions, spread awareness, take remedial measures, identify the one which are in this which are addict to drug and alcohol, and make them aware and actually take care of such person so that they can get away from this drugs and alcohol, as it causes adverse effect on the health and they ruin the entire life of the person. So actually the entire life of the person is at stake, so it's better to say no to drugs. So students, I hope you all must have understood about drugs. The drugs which we have been studying, the commonly used drugs, its effect on the body, it affects how actually it is shown differently in males as well as in females, and what are its causes, and also prevention and control. So I want you all to just go through this last part of the chapter and do the assignment and make your notes. And with this, I complete this chapter. Thank you.